Liam and Weed, back at it again. We are making Italian sodas today.
It's been months since we've made our syrups, and now they have properly fermented, and now we are here to make our Italian sodas. What you're going to need for Italian soda is any kind of brandless sparkling water, heavy whipping cream, and your syrups and ice, but we don't have ice. Or we could just put water in it and time travel to back when it was on a mountain.
So for our, we have mint chocolate syrup,
Pizza syrup,
red vine, and we have
the spicy meatballs.
Yeah. That's fine to eat, actually. It's cool. It'll taste really good.
It has a magic trick where it has a little man inside. You see it? It's like one of those moss balls that are in the jar, and then they just kind of live because they're moss. It's a combination of. First off, we're gonna start with the red vine. First impressions before we even try it. It smells like red vines. Very smart. Okay. Ooh, and it's got this like really good red flavor and also appearance. I can just eat the red vine. They've been brining for the past amount of time. It will have been that long.
All right.
Ooh, it dissolved in my hand.
Cool.
Yeah, this is safe to eat.
How's it taste?
It's a different texture than it was when it went in. It's like what you imagine sand would taste like if it was good. Like, you know, like wet sand, but like not as gritty. But it's on its way to being gritty, but it is a red vine. I hope I live after this. Next up, we're gonna do the pizza syrup. First impression. It does smell like seasoning. It smells like crust. It smells like Italian, and it also kind of looks like an olive oil. And these are safe. These are safe to eat. You have to put it in great.
The Liam and Weed promise is that these are safe to eat, and these will taste good even.
Here as a guest in the Liam and Weed test kitchen is Calendar. That was your name, right? You want to look at our syrup, our very good syrup that will taste good and looks like syrup should look. Look at that. It's got a little red tint. Your coffee's yellow? That looks like, ooh, there's, no, do you want to eat the juice?
Next up, we have chocolate chip mint. Congeals a little bit, but that's to be expected with something this delicious. It also opens.
What's the first impression of
Chunky.
Yeah,
this is good to eat, I think.
It kind of looks like coffee, like wet coffee. See, this one looks like paint water. That's how you can tell it's been fully fermented. Yeah. So I'm trying the red vine one. Oh, it's really thick. You know, it's got that thick syrup texture to it. Pizza syrup now. This is a year's worth of brainstorming and like sleepless night. Emotionally and spiritually. It does taste. It definitely tastes, and it is safe to consume. Your movements are strange as always. It is safe. I have tried it myself, and I'm not dead yet. Pizza syrup. Don't put your finger in that. Drink it like a person. Drink it like a frog. Isn't that a taste? Yeah, okay. So good reviews all the way around. Next up is your mint chocolate chip that we have to strain.
Oh yeah, this smells like pizza. Oh, it does taste like mint.
Ooh, a baby.
Do you want some of this?
This is the mint chocolate chip.
I mean, yeah, it tastes like mint chocolate, but like bad.
This is the spicy meatball. Ooh.
This is about to die.
We're finally gonna see the little man outside of containment. First impression.
What does this smell like?
It smells like spice.
Unfortunately, this smells good.
Now we're gonna see if there's any actual like sentient life form on there.
Shake this well before pouring.
Here, shake it. Wait! This is carbonated. So we're gonna pre-mix our cream and our seltzer in a bit.
300 to 1.
Motherfucker. Yeah.
This is how you make milk, by the way.
But we didn't curdle it. Because you can't do that.
You can actually. Yummy.
Wow, that looks really decorative. Alright, let me try it soda. Talk about spiritually.
Well, it tastes bad. It's got hints.
Of?
Yeah.
It's got floral hints, which is cool because red vines are red and some flowers are also red. A good one. I do have to try his one.
So this really does just taste.
It doesn't taste like dirt, which is the important part. What? How do I need to, okay.
Yeah.
You put some, not dirt, what's like next to dirt on the taste level, not the texture level, to taste like
Gravel.
It's certainly fermented. This one did get the most chunks. I'm not scared of this one. Piece of syrup, Italian soda, my life's work. It's a little sharp. Good. It's like if you took a tree and you made a little bucket and you watered that milk down with spicy water. So this is what happens in a beehive.
So this is the guy.
Goodbye, guy. Trying the meatball raw. So it's got a texture. It's got like those little fun little lines that you sometimes see in oil or like milk that has passed into sentience. We've got hints of those other spices that we remember what we put in. I'm actually kind of excited for the meatball. What's your perspective?
Like it tastes good, but I'm kind of scared that it tastes good.
It's hiding under the rafters. Okay. And then yoink. I am feeling it. It's like if it was a cloud on like on a day.
I'm a little bit scared that I'd swallow that.
Well, that's our video on making Italian sodas. We've designed you how to make a syrup, and we kind of walked you through the and
We'll leave a comment in your description on your channel, and you can look at our videos then, and you'll see the recipe.
where's the camera?